Manapouri to Bluff transmission, it goes through some of the toughest, roughest, most weather-prone country in the world. I mean, you can be working there one day at 25 degrees and the next day it'll be -10. And yet the transmission crews, they worked on the ground, they worked up in the air, they worked with the sort of gear you can't even imagine today.
220 men work on the line. They're on the tower sites at 6:30 in the morning. They go till 6 at night, and they know their business.
I guess I had no preconceived ideas about what to expect. I guess being young, you just sort of go with the flow. People tell you what to do, you go and do it.
Kevin and some mates moved from the DC transmission line south to the new project. In the extreme conditions, they quickly learned to depend on each other.
There were older guys, there were guys that had been to World War II, there were guys who had other experiences in life. And then you had, like for the likes of us, we were only the young kids really, but we're fortunate enough to have older guys that would look after us.
The towers are individual as the men who are putting them together piece by piece.
When it snowed, it didn't thaw for ages, and so you'd be wearing your wet weather gear every day, probably sometimes for about 2 weeks in a row.
Those crews, they worked winter and summer, got the job done on time and on budget. That was unheard of, and I take my hat off to them.